How to recover Discord account without email. Hi everyone, I'm Hatsu60. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome, search support.discord.com. It will lead you to this page. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Submit a Request. After you've clicked on Submit a Request, what can we help you with? You can simply, in here, click on Help and Support. After you've clicked on Help and Support, you'll find all these options. Type of question. You can type in account verification credentials. What type of issue are you experiencing? Forgot password. Subject. I need to recover my account without email. And after you do this, you can add descriptions if you want. You can type in help me recover my email, then press on submit at the bottom, and after some hours, Discord will get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to recover a Discord account without email. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.